Hello Smarties, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the letter Ha. Let's see what we will learn. We will learn how to write the letter, the different sounds of the letter, the different written forms of the letter, and finally we will do some reading practice and some writing practice. Are you ready? Let's see how to write it. Do you remember the letter Jim? Ha looks exactly like it but without any dot. First, make a straight line and then make the English alphabet C. Make a straight line and make the English alphabet C. Easy, right? So Jim has a dot in its belly and Ha has no dot. Let's see the different sounds it can make. We have Sawt Qasir, the short sounds. Ha with a Fathah, Ha. Ha with a Kasra, Hi. Ha with a Dammah, Hu. Ha, Hi, Hu. We have Sawt Taweel, Ha with Alif next to it makes the long sound Ha. Ha with Ya next to it makes the sound Hi. Ha with Waaw next to it makes the sound Hu. Ha, Hi, Hu. Then we have the Tanween sounds. Ha with double Fathah makes the sound Han. Ha with double Kasra, Hin. Ha with double Dammah, Hun. Han, Hin, Hun. Did you know that the Arabic alphabets look different at the beginning, middle and end of the word? This is how Ha looks when it's all by itself. This is how it looks at the beginning, in the middle and at the end of the word. At the end of the word, Ha lets its belly out. Now it's reading time. We have the short sounds Ha, Hi, Hu. The long sounds Ha, Hi, Hu. And we have the Tanween sounds Han, Hin, Hun. Let's practice it. Ha, Hi, Hu, Hu. Ha, Hi, Hi, Ha, Ha, Hu. Ha, Ju, Juhi, Jaha, Haji. Did you notice? The letter without the dot is Ha and with the dot below it is Jim. Jim has a dot in its belly, but when Jim comes at the beginning and in the middle, the dot goes below it. Ha, Jaju. Over here, Jim has no belly because it's in the middle and at the end it lets its belly out. Hi, Jujun. Ha, Jaba. Ha, Bibun. Habibun. Habibun. Now it's writing time. The Arabic word for a snail is halazun. Which ha should I put? Should I put this one or this one? This ha has two little hands to connect with the letter before and after it. This ha has one hand to connect with the letter after it. Since it's the first letter, I will choose this one. Halazun. Bahr. Bahr means the sea. Which ha should I choose? This one or this one? We know that this is the ha when it comes at the end. So we will choose this one. Bahr. Subah. Subah means morning. Both of these has look like the ha at the end. Which one should we choose? Let's look at the word Subah. There's an alif before the last letter. Alif will never join hands with the letter after it. So we will choose this one.